I mean, I'll expect anything.
Yeah, you're ready for it.
For anything, but
Yeah. Just got to be prepared for it. Yeah, but I'm seeing now they're not going to do the parallel parking here. I'm sorry, I can't get my words out because my ear. I don't hear myself speaking. So.
Where should I go?
Left turn. Sorry. And then a right turn at the lights. Now, hopefully, it's going to be difficult here.
Oh, thanks. I don't know.
Let's see the most difficult scenario that you could encounter here. Complete stop. Crawling out. That's nice. No problem. You lucked out again.
Yep.
Let's go and do that one again, actually, just for fun.
Yeah.
So just after Rudy's restaurant, there's a street there. We'll make a right turn. And at the stop sign, we'll make a right turn. It's going to be a right turn at the stop sign again. There's garbage on the hood of that car.
Oh.
So right turn at the lights. Well, all three times. That was easy. Okay, right on.
Let's hope at my test it's just like